What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Vegas. I'm so freaking happy to be here. Man, got here pretty quick too. But yeah, I'm out at a Nike outlet. Let me go look up the name. Did bring the charger. Man, made really good time. Out in Silverado Ranch. I think this is Henderson, right? Yeah, Silverado Ranch, part of Henderson. Man, I was supposed to get here right at 10, but yeah, it didn't really work out. It's almost 11 o'clock. Let's go. Got sheriffs here. What the hell? I think I got here 3 hours and 37 minutes from the valley. Not bad. Let's see where to start. I think this is like the 30th outlet I've been to, which is nuts. I guess they do have a heat wall here. Do got a little heat wall. No sale though. So couple dope things. Do have a refurbished section. They just started that here. Looks like it's kind of like Watts. They don't have a sale. That's kind of bumming. So apparently they did until I think yesterday, and then none today, man. All right, let's check out the supposed heat section. So I guess they still do got it here, because some stores they're getting rid of them. I don't know. But all right, there we go. You got these. These are what, size 15? The Mississippi State Dunks. 13. Got a Brave Blue 13 right here. Also got these as well, size 13. 10.5 right here. This is all stuff that like we've seen the Fly E's. Do got that's a size 9 right there. Size 8.5. Got one of these returned, I guess. These are 170. Has a little stain right there. Yeah, that's on the suede too. Dang it. Got one of these in the women's size 8. Got this as well. Nothing too crazy, especially without the sales. This is a pretty unique dunk. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Okay. Nike Dunk Low NH. I don't really know much about this one. All right, retail, whatever retail is, they don't even have a price tag on it. That's just 7.5. Of course, now we have to check out the refurbished section, size 8. Nike Kyrie Infinities going for $65. Pretty decent price, especially if you get that 30 off, or even 20. That would go down big time, under 50 bucks. Air Max 95s right here. These are going for 105. Size 8. Alpha Fly Next Percent 143. Not too bad. That was size 9. What size is this? This is a size 9.5. Air Max 97. This is the one with the velvet on the media side right there. Going for $88. Wow, that's actually a really good deal. Air Max 90 right here. Going for what, $65? I forgot I need to find the Air Max 90 for a kid, size 11. Air Max 2017 right here, go for $95. Oh, that's cheap. What's it say? It says refurbished. Alpha Fly. Oh, these are the Vapor Flies. My bad. 125 for those. Size 10. Infinities. More of these. The Kyrie Infinities. That's a size 10. Same price, 78. 11.5 as well. It's a slightly different colorway. And those are 65 for those. Wow, one down even further. Does say gently worn. A lot of the gently worn stuff, you can't even tell, dude. Vaporfly, size 12. I forgot to check the price. $1.25. Another one of those, gently worn, size 12.5. Then just like some budget ones right here. These are some Air Force One fly nets, size 13. Go for $65. This is gently worn. And I don't even see any wear on these. I don't really see any wear, you guys. Pretty clean for 65 bucks. Not bad. Size 8 Air Max 2017 go for $88, which is not a terrible price. Another size 8. These are retail 150. Seeing a lot of Air Max here, which is pretty dope. Another 2017 go for $165. Air Max 95 going for $140. More 2017s going for $100. More 97s. These are $130. Running shoes, Infinity Run Finance $130 for those. Some Air Force Ones $140. This is 8.5. This is pretty dope actually. Pretty interesting look. Dunks, the acid wash ones going for $80. That's crazy. These are 8.5. Size 19. A bunch of these $130. Hirachis going for 120. Air Max 270s, $100 for those. Black and white, that's a 9. Another 9. Air Max Plus, Vapor Max Plus, my bad. 210. Wow, a bunch of those dunks. The size what? 9.5. Still 80. What these LeBrons going for now? Still 170. Got BTS playing in the background. I still can't understand what the F they're saying. These are the Jordan 37s. Ooh, I've never even seen these. And they got them at the outlet. These are ugly as hell. Holy crap, these are really ugly. Maybe great for performance, but hella ugly. Oh my god. 185. Got one of those. Got a second one right here. 2 different colorways. Never even seen these. I didn't even know these released. Holy crap. I guess it makes sense. Basketball season's around. Okay. Apparently I'm in the 10.5s now. $80 for these two. Size 11s. $110 for the Air Max 2017. The color on this. Did I say 2017? Air Max 270. The color on this, not bad. Ton of these bad boys. Still going for 120. Size 11. Just ton of the Air Maxes, man. This 11 have 165 for these. Blazer lows. 85 for those. What are these? These are size 14. Some trainers. Okay. Alright. These going for 140. LeBron's 190. Size 14. Size 15. But this is regular price. 210 for those. These are fire. I'm a huge fan of those LeBron 2s. They got them in a size 14 as well. And then the KD 15. It's going for retail 160. There's a couple 13s in there. Nothing really worth investigating, to be really honest. Kind of a rough day here today. A lot of Air Maxes, but no specials like with the prices, man. All right, time to check out the aisles. We definitely got to check out the kids and the women's clearance section to check out the refurbished sections. But let's check the aisles out real quick. Do got plenty of witnesses, witness 5s. Got a quartet of these. Prices varying like crazy. Last one right here. LeBron 18 lows. Soldier 14s. Man, this is just a staple at the Nike outlets. Giannis Immortalities. Remember, these are the budget line of Giannis. Super budget right here. They even have the 2, so you would think these would be getting clearanced out. Only $10 discounts on these. Last one. Speaking of staples, Flytrap 4s. These are definitely a staple at the Nike outlets. Flytrap 5s. KD Trey 5.9s. Another one of those. Last one. Like I said, last one. And then got a couple of Jordans, but not really, because that's a lift off in the Access. Man, slim pickings, you guys. Air Monarch 4s, Pegasus Trail 4s, Infinity Run Flyknits. Got a few of them. Oh, got tons, man. Got tons. I don't even want to go see all of them. Pegasus right here. These are the 37s. What a great price. Got Shield version of the 38s. Last one right here. Vomero 16s. Air Max 2021s. I'm not a fan of these at all. Air Max 270s. The Terra Escape version of the Air Max 97s. Interesting colorway. Bubble color is kind of cool too. Air Max 2017. These are way higher than a lot of the prices seen in LA. And that's the highest I've seen in a long time. As mentioned earlier, of course, we got to check out the refurbished section. This is the women's right here. Then also got one in the kids section as well. Starting with the kids section, do got some Cortez. What is $36? Size 5 right here. Wow, that one's like new as well. Got Blazer size 5.5, going for $51. This one's like new. Some more React Live. This is cosmetically flawed. If it does say cosmetically flawed, you need to check the hell out of it. Sometimes they're discolored, sometimes there's issues. $40 for those. Size 4.5 Pegasus 38. It's going for $57. Blazers, got some Blazer size 6. Like new, 54. More Blazer size 5.5, like new, 51. Some old school Pegasus right here. Ooh, I thought these were the Pegasus 83s or something. The MD Valiants. I have no clue what the hell that is. Yeah, $30 for those. Now we're checking out the women's section. Do got some Pegasus 38s. These are cosmetically flawed though. $60 for those. 6.5. 105. Gently worn. This is a return for the Vapor Max. I don't see any wear on it or anything. Damn, dude, that's hella cheap. Size 7, 2021s, Air Max 2021s, cosmetically flawed at 80. 7.5 Air Max 97 gently worn, going for $88. Pegasus 38s going for 60 gently worn. Size 8.5 Air Max 90 going for 65. And that is cosmetically flawed. You need to check those. 8.5 gently worn Air Max 98s going for $88. Imagine if it's 30% off, man. All this stuff would be extra cheap, but no such deals today. Vomero 16 size 10 women's going for $90 like new. 10.5 Air Max 97 going for $88. Cosmetically flawed. Size 11. I was like, this better say gently used, because you could tell it's creased up like crazy. That's wasn't gentle at all. $55. Like Zoom Terra Tigers. These are going for 70 gently worn. Then we got some Vaporfly. Oh, this is in the regular section right here. That's about it. That's about it, man. That's about it. All right, we're gonna check out the women's aisles right here. Next Nature Air Force Ones go for 95. Air Force One go for 80. Man, oh, these are the boots. These are the boots, the utilities. Okay. Normally 1 1/4. These are the shadows, right? Air Force One shadows. Pixels. Blazer lows. Daybreaks. More Air Force Ones. Oh, this has. Oh, it's like suede alligator print. Okay, that's definitely interesting. The one with the pearls on it. Then the shadows, like the Halloween shadows. Air Max 97s. Another one of those. Air Max 90s. Air Max 1s. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknit. The Furiosa, these are just wild. Air Max Plus. Air Max 2017s. Got a trio of those. All purple one right here. 2090s, another one of those. Air Max pre-days. Apparently there's plastic pieces, so they say be careful with the infants and toddlers. The Air Max Dons. One of those with interesting material right there. Was it Air Max Don too? Okay. Oh, Schnikes. All right, we're good. We're good. Pegasus 38. Got a ton of these. But look at these prices. Look at this. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. And then this one, $55 for Infinity Run Flyknit. Over $100 off. Wow, that's insane. Pegasus Trail 2s for women. And then they just got a ton of Pegasus. Just a ton of them. Gotta check out the men's clearance. Usually when it's clearance, like usually they'll have another like 20-30% off. Nothing today. Nothing today, man. But still not too bad. Look, $15 for this t-shirt to XL. The Raining Buckets. Got a black one here for $15 as well. Fleece shorts. These are all smalls, going for $20. Prices are at least good. Running t-shirt, $25 normally, $50 for medium. The waffle fries right there, $18. Okay. Normally $65. Got a bunch of these shorts, more t-shirts. At least the prices not too bad on the clearance apparel. Got hoodies, 20% off. But what's that price though? Price is $50, so that'd be what, $40 a piece. All right, not the craziest trip. All right, man, I'm gonna go to the clearance store, see what they got there. I'm hoping for better luck. I forgot I still have $100 worth of gift cards, so I can use that, I guess. All right, let's go. We're done. Probably a shorter vlog. There wasn't much here, I'm not gonna lie. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? 5 o'clock somewhere. Shit, it's 5 o'clock here. Okay. Let's go. Can't wait. Oh, goodness. Holy crap, I'm on the way now. Holy shit.